Hello everyone, this is P.R. Pammar. Today in this video class we are going to see module 2, that is renewable energy resources and non-renewable energy resources. This is the first session in module 2. So particularly today we are going to see definition of renewable energy and forms of renewable energy. So coming to the definition, renewable energy sources are constantly replenished and will never run out. Means they are natural resources which can be regenerated continuously. So such kind of energy forms we are going to call it as a renewable energy sources. Okay, means constantly regenerated. Okay, then coming to the some examples of forms of renewable energy resources. So in that first one, solar energy, next one ocean energy, next one wind energy, next geothermal energy, next binary energy, next hydropower, and last one hydrogen and fuel cells. So these all are the some forms of renewable energy. Then for the example, for the solar energy, solar cells, solar heat collector and solar water heater are the some examples which we are going to using by using the solar energy, which we are going to utilizing things by using the solar energy. And next one, for the example, for the wind energy, windmills are there, wind farms are there. Okay. Next, for the ocean energy, we can say example tidal energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy. And for the biomass energy or bioenergy, we can say biogas, biofuel and hydrogen fuels. So these all are the some examples and forms of renewable energy. So here you can see this is the main source, sun. By using sun we will get the energy, and this energy will be applicable depending upon the requirement. Okay, so this is the example for the biomass or bioenergy. Okay, this one we have seen in every villages. Okay, in earlier days we used to cook our food on the biogas by using the biogas. Okay, next one, this is the wind energy, and this one is the geothermal energy. Due to the volcanic eruption, if we are getting the energy, so that form we are going to call it as a geothermal energy, and this is from hydro power energy from the water. Okay, next coming to the detail about the solar energy. Okay, so the solar energy definition, coming to the definition, the energy that we get directly from the sun is called the solar energy. Okay, whatever the energy we are getting from directly from sun, so that energy we are going to call it as a solar energy. Means for the main source for energy is here sun. Okay, so by using the solar energy, what all are the applications we are using. So we are using solar energy in a solar cells, solar heater collector, next solar water collector. Okay, solar water heater collector, etc. So how those will work I will tell you. Okay, then coming to the solar heater collector, so this figure gives the example how solar cells convert the sun energy in terms of electric energy. Okay, so this is the solar panels. On that solar panels the sun rays will be fall, and this solar panel will convert the sunlight to DC current. Okay, here one inverter is fixed. So this inverter, what it will do, it will convert the DC current into AC current. Okay, then after that how much quantity we need for our house holding, so that electricity we will utilize, and remaining we will credit it to on a grid base. Okay, so here we will see detail about the how solar cells or solar PV cells will work. Okay, so solar cells consist of a p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor. So they are in a close contact with each other. When the solar rays fall on the top of layer of p type semiconductor, the electrons from the valence bond get promoted, okay, to the conduction bond and across the p-n junction, and it will transfer in terms of n type semiconductor. So this potential difference produced between two layers causes flow of electrons. So those flow of electrons we will call it as an electric current, okay. So this is how solar energy will be converted into electrical energy by using the photovoltaic cells or PV cells, okay. So here solar water collector. So before solar water collector, so this type of mechanism will be applicable where used in calculators, electronic watches or street lights, okay. So the photovoltaic cells mechanism will be used. Next one, solar water heater. So solar water heater collector consists of a natural materials like stones, bricks, materials like glass. So they can be absorb heat during the daytime and release it slowly at night. So used in cold places where houses are kept and in a hot condition using a solar heat collector. In a solar battery, large number of solar cells is connected in series to form a solar battery, and solar battery produces more electricity which is enough to run a water pump or to run a street light, etc. Next one, coming to the solar water collector, okay, or solar water heater you can say. So it consists of an insulated box. So this is the insulated box, inside of which is painted with a black paint and provided with a glass lid to receive and store a solar heat, okay. Inside the box it has a black painted copper coil which heats the cold water, then flows out into storage tank. Wherever the storage tank there, so that water will be stored at the storage tank, and from the storage tank water is then supplied through pipes. So this is the mechanism used in the solar water heater. Means it consists of a insulated box, and the inside that insulated box which is painted with a black paint, okay, and it provided with a glass lid to receive and store the solar heat, and inside that box it has a black painted copper coil which heats the cold water, okay. Then that heated water will be stored in a storage tank, and after that from the storage tank the water will be supplied through the pipes. So this is the mechanism used in a solar water collector. Next one, application where we are going to using solar energy, okay. Significance of solar energy. So noise and pollution free means they are noise and pollution free compared to the other energy sources. While producing or while during the mechanism of production, it doesn't produce any noise pollution, okay. So that's why it's a noise and pollution free. Next one, solar water heaters. Cookers requires no fuel, means the energy which you are using in a solar water heater, those doesn't require any extra fuels, okay. Next one, solar cells can be used in a remote and isolated, okay, areas. Means remote and isolated areas means in a forest and hilly regions we can use solar cells, okay, for our regular utility purpose. So this is about the definition of renewable energy and forms of renewable energies. In that first one we have learnt solar energy, okay. So solar energy definition we have learnt and where it will be applicable. Applicable in terms of solar cells, solar heat collector, solar water heater, okay. So their process we have seen in this video. Next class I will tell you about the wind energy. Thank you.